stable diffusion web UI. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and go to thinkdiffusion.com. On the main panel, click the Sign Up button at the upper right corner of the website. Enter your email address and password, then click Continue. After signing in, go to the Featured section and pick the engine you want. For example, you can select the A1111 model. Click the Launch button to start the model and wait for it to run. At the checkpoint, choose the stable diffusion model you want. Next, add the prompt you want to use. For example, you might type a cup on the table. After that, add a negative prompt to specify what you do not want to appear in the final result. Then, add the sampling method, steps, and batch size to generate the image. Add the batch count if you want to generate more of the same image from the prompt. You can also change the image size by entering values in the width and height columns. Click the Generate button, wait for the images, select the one you like, and click Save.